Did you know that the very first law of leadership in the John Maxwell bestseller, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, is the law of the lid? The law of the lid explains that the level of leadership with which the leader operates is a lid, a stopper on the growth that can occur under his or her leadership. Knowing that, don't you want to grow your ability to unleash your potential and the potential of everyone you lead? When you walk on the path of a leader's journey, you will develop the behaviors needed to effectively lead yourself and others. The John Maxwell 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership are time-tested, treasured understandings of the world's great leaders. You too can apply them and change your world. The Maxwell Method of Leadership. Lead with purpose.